I'm thrilled to announce that we, as a team of Alpha English Academy, are going to conduct a 40-day personality development workshop here at Baba Mia Nazim Educational Institute. Assalamu alaikum everyone. The quality of your communication determines the quality of your life. I, Bhat Tahir, the founder and CEO of Alpha English Academy, am thrilled to announce that we, as a team of Alpha English Academy, are going to conduct a 40-day personality development workshop here at Baba Mia Nazim Educational Institute, Waliwar Ganderbal. Inshallah Rahman, by the grace and the bounty of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and by the efforts of Mr. Rafiq sir, we are going to conduct this 40-day personality development workshop here, Inshallah Rahman. This transformative journey will emphasize on communication skills, public speaking skills, presentation skills, voice and accent, vocabulary enhancement, and character building. Those students who want to enhance their personality, want to take their personality to the next level, Inshallah Rahman, may take part in this revolutionary personality development workshop. We are really, truly indebted to this educational institution, especially the respected chairman of this institution, Mr. Rafiq sir. Very soon we are going to start this transformative workshop, Inshallah Rahman. Thank you very much once again. Assalamu alaikum.